Hi there, so this is Deepak again, and today I'm going to make a video to show you how you can use AI to make a legal notice. So anything a lawyer can do, AI can do as well. So I'm going to show you how you can make a legal notice. So let's assume I'm a landlord having a flat in an area in Salt Lake, and my tenant is not paying me rent. So I want to send him a legal notice. So how I can create this using AI? So I'm just going to show you right now. So this is Bard, the Google's AI tool, and let's assume my apartment is in Salt Lake and my tenant is not paying me rent. So I'm going to send him a legal notice. So here is what prompt I'm going to give. I'm a landlord having a flat in Salt Lake, Kolkata. My tenant is not paying me the rent of rupees 15,000 per month since the last 3 months. I want to send him a legal notice. Make a legal notice for me, and I have to give some details like my details, my name. These are all fictitious figures just to show you. So my details suppose are this and tenant details are this. So I'm just giving it here, and I'll now press the button. Now let's see what Bard makes. So with all this information, Bard is going to create a legal notice. See, the legal notice is ready to Mr. Kashyap Singh, flat number 101, Salt Lake, Kolkata, zip code this much, dated, dear Mr. Singh, this is the legal notice to you from your landlord, Mr. Rahul Kumar, regarding non-payment of rent. As you are aware, you have been renting flat from me at flat number 101, Salt Lake, Kolkata since, and all that. Despite remitted reminders, you have not paid the rent for 3 months, and the total amount is given. If you fail to pay the rent within the stipulated time, I will be forced to take legal action against you. This may including filing a suit for eviction and or damages. I hope that you will pay the rent promptly and avoid the need for any further action. Sincerely, Mr. Rahul Kumar, landlord. So the legal notice is ready. Now let's see how ChatGPT makes this. The same thing. So I'm going to put the same information on ChatGPT, and let's see how it is going to make the legal notice. See, dear tenant, now Bard is already putting the name of the tenant here, and my name, that is the landlord's name here, but ChatGPT has made a more comprehensive legal notice, but it's not actually fetching the name and address from the data given here. We may train it to give it better. So both are able to generate a legal notice, but definitely Bard is more easy to make and much quicker, and it's able to fetch the data that I gave it. So here also Bard wins over ChatGPT on making a legal notice. Now regarding whether AI is going to replace lawyers in the future or not, it's I think time will tell, and I leave it to your imagination. But I can say this much: these tools are still evolving, and they will be much more sophisticated in the future. So you can expect anything. So signing off for now. Thank you, and please like my video. Thank you.